So today we will learn what are the basic commands to operate Amazon Linux.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sorry.
Okay.
Your voice was not audible before 15 seconds.
Okay. Now it is audible, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much. And even my screen also visible to everyone.
Yes.
Right. Thank you very much. So let me connect to my AWS environment and check the status of Linux machine.
Rajesh, one question, small question.
Let me stop the recording.
Suppose if we create instances of a single instance, 1 TB, 1 microscope, 1 GB instances, we can create any number of instances. There is no issue.
Okay, right. So your question is how many machines we can create? So I can clarify your question. Sorry?
Single, only means single instances.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
I'll split into multiple way. The question I'll split into multiple way.
Yeah.
How many missions we can create at a time? Okay.
Yeah.
How many missions we can create in EC2 region? Okay. So these are the two answers.
Yeah.
So first question is minimum one mission we can create.
Okay.
Okay. So maximum in real-time environment, we can create maximum 10, 20, 30 missions like that. Why? If all of sudden multiple missions we created, this dashboard is a small dashboard. Okay. It's managing is very hard to managing the missions. In case of any mission is you're not touching and you're not configured properly, that mission is unnecessarily will be running on the EC2 console. It will be charge your bill. Okay. So my recommendation, whenever you're creating, you please create the instance very limited number, like a 5 numbers, 10 numbers of servers you can create. No problem.
Suppose if we create only single machine, we can create any number of instances. There is no problem. No? For practice purpose, I'm asking. Any charge?
Listen. That's what I'm telling. So you can create any number of machines. Okay. You can. I'm giving example best practices. As a real-time engineer, I'm giving information best practices. Okay. Okay. Leave about the best practices. Maybe you are right now in a learning mode. In a learning mode, you can create only one server is enough. Minimum one server, maximum 2 or 3 servers you can practice. Not more than that. Why? 750 hours is a limit of your EC2 instances, and elastic block storage is 30 GB. So if a single instance is 8 GB, it will create 3 instances, 8 into 3, 24 GB will be charged in your bill. So less than 30 GB, right? Elastic block storage volume. So there is no charges for you.
Okay.
So this is a best practices, and within the free tier limitation, without the billing, you will be comfortable. You can practice yourself.
Another question, small question. Suppose if when I creating an account now, I am getting my credit card. Suppose, okay, to create the account. After that, suppose 1 month, 2 months, the credit will be expired now. Then it will work. Amazon will work.
So once you, why Amazon will not work? You are not paying the bill. That's it.
Okay.
Very simple. Very simple. If you are not paying your mobile bill, so Jio or Airtel will give you that validity. They will suspend your plan right after 3 months. Same way, if you are not paying the bill more than 3 bills, okay, account will get closed.
I'm
It will be
not
disabled.
asking about the bill. When I am creating my account, I am getting my credit card number. The expiration is only 3 months is there. Okay, 3 months is there now. I'm telling practically.
AWS will not looking for your credit card validity. Don't
Okay.
worry about that.
Okay. Okay.
During the activation, your account is valid or not, then we'll check that.
Okay.
Later on, if your card is expired,
Hmm.
no matter what, you can remove the card and you can reactivate it.
Okay.
Again, condition is if you are not paying the bill for a more than 3 billing cycle continuously, if the bill is very, very high, and they will send a multiple notifications and the account will get disabled.
Okay.
And even though after you're paying the bill for reactivation, it's a very, very tough job.
And why they are giving free for one
It's business.
GB? What is the use
Business.
of them? What is the business? Okay.
Business.
Why? Because
Business.
so many people are using so many practice purpose. 1 GB. 1 GB means maximum. So many people using this Amazon AWS for practice purpose. It's for only business purpose only.
Business purpose.
Okay.
Because if I'm promoting, I have trained almost 117 batches. Almost in batch, hardly if you're taking 15 people, maybe 10 people. Okay, how many students I trained? Almost 117 into hardly 10 people only. Almost 1,170 people I trained. Example, I have trained more than 2,000 people. Okay, let's a very, very basic thing. Okay, so these people are settled in the company
Okay.
and they are supporting the AWS services.
Okay.
Suppose some company they are not giving any free services to users, how the product will be coming to the market, how the people will be learning. Example, I am the company owner. I want to migrating from the on-premises to cloud environment. I don't know how look likes. Amazon is not providing free of cost how it will be running. How can I creating the test environment or development environment?
Okay.
So AWS is giving the wonderful opportunity for 1 year per month, 750 hours. The EC2 instances I can run, I can build it, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I can check
Yeah.
twice and thrice it's working or not.
Okay.
So at least I'll be satisfying with the services, right? If I'm not satisfying, I'll go to other services.
Yeah.
So because of it's a trial. Because of it's a trial. So these are the business logics. Not only Amazon, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Alibaba Cloud, anybody is giving free of cost only. Initial few days.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for your
No
information.
problem.
Sir, during the session, can we interrupt and ask the particular related to topic question?
No. That's already we discussed, Amit. Related to topic, anywhere I'm asking you question, right? Okay, you can ask your question and you can get the answers. But
Okay.
any unrelated topics you can ask either starting of the class or ending of the class. I'll be
Yeah.
available.
Okay,
Right.
fine. Yeah.
So please listen. Okay, please listen that always my statements are very clear. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I'm not taking any questions now. I'm directly going to the topic. Thank you. So now the server is ready. I'm going to connect with the public IP address. Okay. I'm going to
Sir,
connect with the
please
public
start the
IP.
recording.
I already started the recording. So now I'm browsing the PPK file and I'm connecting the server. So now I can go to chain settings, appearance, and increase the font size. Now clear the screen, CLEAR, clear. So the command is clear. So guys, I'll note down each and every command in the notepad. End of the session, I'll share with you. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about Amazon Linux file structure. What are the files and directories responsibilities that we discussed? Okay. So today we are going to learn some basic commands to manage the Linux operating system. So what are the commands I'm going to teach today? Twice and thrice you can practice. And at any point of time when you are asking, you need to tell those commands. So then only the next session will be very, very easy. Understood? Right. So this is a Linux HS. Next, this is a one. Linux basic commands. So the first command is how to clear the screen. How to clear the screen. The command is, so guys, command I'll be writing after the hashtag. Okay, please understand. Either I'll put the dollar. Okay. So here the dollar is right. So I'm not writing entire this line. For your understanding purpose, I'm writing the dollar. So dollar means after that, whatever the command I'm writing, you have to run this command. Clear. Okay. So any big screen when you're writing, you want to clear the screen, run the command is clear. Okay. The next one. So guys, mostly you're working on the black terminal. So black terminal. So in the black terminal, we don't have any system date, system time, any information is not showing. How can I check that? So we can easily check by using the command. We can easily check by the command. So the command is, you want to check the date. The date command is date, and you can check like this, Friday, May 19. So 2:53 UTC time. So basically this particular time and the date, it belongs to in which location your server is created. Understand? So right now the server is created in Singapore. So probably that time is, we got it. So now SGP UTC time. Okay, time now. Singapore time now is at 10:54 in UTC. So what is the message is showing here? +8. Is the time is correct? UTC time is correct?
Correct. UTC time is correct.
UTC time is correct. Yes, right. So this is a way we can check that in case if the server is moving to one locations to another location, and we need to carefully check that which location the server is running now. So that you need to verify, because maybe you're in India and server is in Singapore, or maybe in North Virginia, different location, and you're checking the time, and maybe is a different date is there, then it will become problem. So when you're collecting the logs based on your time, you're calculating, maybe you'll get a wrong report. So be careful. Whenever we are collecting the logs, any report collection from the server officially, so you have to think and you have to convert the time in the particular local time. The server is running on which location. Based on the time, you have to convert into UTC method. Then you have to collect the logs. That's a very, very important. Otherwise, you'll get a wrong report. So most of the people survey are from India, right? That's why we are doing that. So that's wrong information. So please check when we are checking the date and time, collecting the logs, or maybe any inventory information we are gathering from the server. Please check the server is located in which location. Fine. And this date and time will be showing like this, right? I want to split the date into date, month, and year in the format. So how can you display this information? Okay, but even this data is very, very clear, but it's I want to display in a different method. So date plus percentile D for date minus, that means hyphen, percentile M for month, hyphen, percentile year. So if you enter this, you will get this information 1905-23. This is a format you will get it. But suppose based on your requirement, this is a format you can run it. Otherwise, not required, you will get a by default. This is information you will get it. Okay. So the time command will not work here. Okay. So only time command will work in Windows machine. But here only date command, along with that you will get the time also. Understand? So let's note down how to check the date. So all the commands is related to Linux. I'm not writing every question Linux. So the date. And question number 3, how to display the date in format of date, month, and year. Okay. DDMMYY format. Okay. So format of DDMMYY format. Okay. So the answer is date plus percentile D hyphen percentile M percentile 1. Next, question number 4. So you want to check the date. So you check the date, right? You want to see the entire calendar in your system. So normally we are opening the calendar and we are able to see, right? Even Linux server also, sometimes based on your requirement, you need to see the calendar. So sometimes calendar means, hey, what is the today's date? After 2 days, the server we need to reboot. After 2 days, the server will be decommissioned. After 2 days, the server will be promoting to some other services. So we have some kind of plans in the real-time environment. So we will check the calendars. Okay, we will check the calendars. So always when we are checking inside system only you can check the date. Inside system only you check the calendar. You have to think in that particular area. Okay. So even though you are working from India, but you are always thinking about the time zone, everything, where the servers are located. That's a very, very important. Now, the question is how to display calendar. Okay. The command is CAL. Now can go here, type CAL, and you will get complete calendar information. So now we are here. Suppose if you type the cal tree, okay, So in the tree with format, so the complete calendar will be displaying here. Okay, the complete calendar will be displaying here. Suppose maybe a specific date the calendar is required. So you can give that CAL, which month you want, in which year you want. You will get this complete July 1987. What is the calendar it is? Understood? So now, how to display entire year calendar? The command is cal3, and 6 is how to display specific month and year calendar. So what is that command? What is the command? $cal month. Okay, month and year. Right? So you have to display in the, I'll write down the format here. Cal month in number, year. Here we're always we're writing in a number only. That's fine. So next, any other questions as of now? These 7 commands.
Regarding fifth option, right? In order to display current month, current date, are we going to use the same command, cal3?
Sorry?
No, I want to display current month, current date.
Current month, current date.
Huh. So it should be CAL only, right?
CAL.
Right? Am I correct?
I'm not getting your question clearly.
No. If I want to display current month, current date, I'm supposed to use only CAL. That should be fine.
Date. So current month. So current date. So this is entire date and time. If you are display, you can give the single command.
Okay.
So if you want to display the current month, cal, and it will displaying the date. It will be indicating the white indicator.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Sorry. Yeah.
Right? Okay. Fine. Next, what are the files? So next command is, so where are you? So where are you presently in your cursor? So, and where are you right now? This terminal will be. So you can run the command called pwd print working directory. Check presently which location console connected. Or check present working directory location. So the command is pwd. Guys, all commands are lower cases only, no capital letters. Huh? So now we have write down pwd, it was listed here. Suppose if you type cd backslash, if you hit enter, okay, sorry, cd space backslash hit enter, happened. cd space dot, if you enter, the previous directory will get connected. So if you type the cd space dot, previous directory will get connected. So next command is go to previous directory. Go to previous directory. So the command is cd space dot. cd space dot. So now, suppose right now I'm in home directory is there. What are the files and what are the folders are available? If you want to display, type the command ls, list the directories. Okay, so how to list the directories and folders and files in current location. Okay, the command is ls, list. Command is list. So suppose guys, if you are in Windows machine, you can use a command called dir, directory command. So if it is a Linux machine, the command is ls. Are you clear? Okay. So now I want to connect it to this particular EC2-user directory. How can I connect? So right now I'm in /home directory. In this /home directory, EC2-directory is there. I want to connect it there. So that means change the directory. So change the directory command is cd and whatever the name is there, as this we need to type. It's a case sensitive. So type EC and hit tab, automatically the name will be presented. So in case if other names are not there with the same name, when you type the first two letters or maybe single letter, if you hit the tab, automatically the entire name will be typed automatically. And hit enter. So now it's successfully connected to EC2-user. You can check that present working directory /home/EC2-user. So now the next command is 10th command, how to change the directory. So the command is cd. Change the directory command is cd. Okay, and I'll give you a couple of scenarios here. Listen carefully. Now cd dot. So now right now I'm in root location. I'm directly connecting to EC2-user. So how you can? So normally cd. So first what we'll do? ls. Okay. First I'll go to home directory. Where is the home? Yeah. First go to home directory.
Can
cd.
you increase the font size? It's a,
Okay.
yeah. Sorry.
Is this fine now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. So change the directory. First I'll go to home. Okay. Then next again list the directory EC2-user, cd EC2-user and hit enter. So guys, if you know the complete path of your directory, what you'll do? So first I'll go back to the root. Right. Clear the screen. I know the path EC2 root location. CD / home EC2 hyphen user. Directly you can type, hit enter. So you'll directly connected to the specific location. You'll directly connected to specific location. You don't want to go to 111 folder and then you have to go to another folder. Not required. If you know the path, you can copy the path, CD space, and you can give the path, you can directly connect it. Any other question? Okay. Now, how to create a directory? How to create a directory? So right now we are in EC2 hyphen user. There is no data here. There is no data. We'll create a directory. Okay. So before creating a directory, so we will give the scenario. So example CD space /home and another example CD space /home /EC2 hyphen user. Okay. Next 11th command. What is the 11th command? How to create directory. How to create a directory. So mkdir and directory name. So directory name is demo1. So guys, a demo1 directory is created. Mkdir means make a directory. Make a directory. So now the command is mkdir directory name. Example mkdir space the directory name demo1. Understood? Now you can check here the demo directory is created. So like that, mkdir demo2 ls, mkdir demo3. Now you can type ls and you can check this. Suppose I want to connect to the again demo3, cd demo. If you hit tab, it will not come because all are similar kind of names are there, right? So here tab will not work. Entire name you need to type. Okay. So like this, you will be creating a directory and you are moving to the directory and you are connecting the directory. Suppose you are going back to demo1. How you can go? CD space home space EC2 hyphen user space demo1. So now previously you are in demo3. Now we are connecting to demo1. Now previously we are in demo3. Now by using this command, I directly connected from one directory to another directory by using this path. Okay. Now clear the screen. Now clear the screen. So how to create a files? How to create a files? How to create a files? So a command called cat greater than mark and you can give the file name. Demo file 1. Hit enter. Demo file, hit enter. So now file is created and it opened the file and it is asking to enter the data. Enter the data. So now, how are you? And you have entered the information and how to save the data. Control Z and now the file is saved. Now type ls. Now the demo file is available. Hey, do you want to display the information? Yes, we can display the information by using the editors. VI is editor and you can give the file name and hit enter. See guys, how are you? The information is available. So come back to here. Point number 12. How to create a file. How to create a file. The command is cat greater than mark and file name. And next 13, how to save the file with a modified data. Okay, what is the shortcut? What is the shortcut key, guys?
VI.
Control Z, guys. CTRL plus Z. How to save the file with the modified data. Okay. Next 14. Next 14. How to open the file. How to open the file. What is the command?
VI.
VI is editor and file name. File name. Clear? So now I'm going here and I want to update the information. So if I'm writing, sorry guys, 1 minute. Suppose this is a file is there. How can I update this information? When I'm typing an update, it is not allowing to update anything inside the file. So how to update the information on existing file? Okay. So after opening the VA editor, okay, you have to press I button in your keyboard. It will change to insert mode. Insert mode means it will listen your input. It will listen your input. Okay. Hey, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. How about you? So now I want to save the information. So Control Z will work here? No. So here what we need to do, first you have to come out of from the insert mode. Press escape button in your keyboard. Then colon WQ exclamatory mark. Save and quit. Colon WQ exclamatory mark. Hit enter. It will come back to your main screen. Now if you type this the same VI demo file 1 and all your information will be saved. Is that clear? No questions, right? Next, what is the command here? So VI is a command to open the any type of files for editing. Okay. How to enter into insert mode. Insert mode. After open the file with the VI editor, press I key. It will enable insert mode. Okay, fine. Next step. How to save the information in VI editor. So what is the step? First press escape button, escape key, come out of from insert mode, and then second, enter colon WQ exclamatory. Type this command and enter. So it will save the data. It will save the data. So again, one more time I'll show you. Listen carefully. So open VI editor with the file name, and if you press I, it will be changed to insert mode. What are the information you want to type? You please type this. After that, you're sufficient. You want to save the information. You have to come out of from the insert mode, press escape, then save the information colon WQ exclamatory. Suppose you don't want to save the information. Don't give the exclamatory. Hit enter. Okay. I think wrong information. Press escape. Right. Okay. Suppose you have insert mode and you're writing something. Hello world. I'm giving some information here, but I don't want to save this information. Come out from the insert mode, colon Q exclamatory and hit enter. Now again go here. Now that information is not available. If you use the W, it will save the information. It will not use the W. Okay, it will not save the information. W is a save command. W is a save, Q is a quit. So next, '17. Without saving the data, how to quit the file. This is a command. Okay. Okay. The next command is which user is currently logged in? Which user is currently logged in? Which user is currently logged in? You want to identify. So the command is who am I? So currently EC2-user is currently logged in. So this guy is connecting from the IP address is public IP. This is IP address. I'll show you. My IP address is, what is my see, this is the one clearly showing here. The command is which user is currently logged in. Command is who am I? Suppose which are the users are currently logged in? Which are the users are currently logged in? So now the command is who. Only this user is currently logged in. Only this user is only currently logged. Both are same, but in case if multiple users are logged in, okay, you will get this. Suppose I'm going to open one more SSH console. One more SSH console. Sorry, I think I have taken wrong IP address. Successfully connected. So now the two sessions are connected with the same name. Suppose I'm going to who, again enter C. From the same system, the same user, two times they connected. Understand? So like any other user also connected on the system, we can easily identify it. So even Windows system also, we have this option. So right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, and here users are there. If any users other than this user is if connected, you will get this information in Windows system. Same way, the simple command is who. We will get it. The command is which users are logged in this computer. Okay. So the command is just W, or sorry, who. And next command is you want to know the complete system information. Okay. Complete system and user information is required. The command is W command. Now can go here. W, hit enter. The complete information will be shown here. So when this system is up, 48 minutes ago, 2 users connected, average load, I'm not doing anything, right? This is a user, login, idle, CPU, the total information will be shown here.
Sir, what the mean here, TTY? What showing?
Time to leave. Time to leave. This is a kind of the user will be order. So example, I connected first. Maybe you are connected second. Maybe other person is connected third one. Okay. We give some kind of ordering. So who will be working on first and who will be working on second like that. So
According
have
to
some full form also is there.
uh,
So full form also is there. TTY full form. TTY full form in Linux. Teletype teletype writer. So this is a name. So that means who will be currently logged in and who is the first, who is the second, like that we can check.
according to the queue sequence, according to a login sequence. Correct?
Based on the login sequence and the server, which are the users are logged in first, which are the users logged in second, like that we can check an order.
Okay.
And based on that, they have some kind of idle time also they'll be displayed.
Idle time, according to me,
Idle time means I'm just connected, I'm not doing anything. Okay. The system will be noted down. The user is not doing anything. It's idle.
okay.
Even in Windows machine also is there, I think so. Idle state will be there. Idle state will be there. But I'm currently connecting, so we have idle state will be there. So we have some third-party monitoring tool that will be keep on monitoring. Example, you have connected the system. Maybe your idle time is showing is the 8 hours. So what do you mean that? You already left the company. Okay? You already log out for the day.
Hello.
So next final command, few commands we will learn. So example, you want to check that every day the system is rebooting, whether the system is rebooted or not. How can you check that? System uptime. The command is called, uptime. Okay. 51 minutes ago, the system is power on. So that means what? Previously, the system is shut down. Check system uptime. Okay, next system information. System information you need it. So the command is uname space -a. Go here, clear screen, uname -a. This is a Linux machine which is running on, this is a location. Okay. And now this is a general public license they're using. And this is a date and this is a date and the time parameters information. So the complete information you'll get it. Suppose which Linux machine you are connected means you need to use this command, you can find out it.
ఏంది ఒక్క రోజుకి ఇంత అయిపోతుందా?
Please go on mute. Shashikala, please go on mute. Okay. So normally you're using the command cat, right? Cat, and immediately they're asking to update the information. Okay. So even you can create empty files without entering the data. Create empty files. the command called touch demo 4. Now can type ls. Demo 4 is created. So how to create empty files? How to create empty files? The command is touch and file name. Maybe if you want to create a multiple empty files, how to create multiple empty files. Come here, touch 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. If you are creating a file, you can type this. See, touch Raj 1, Raj 2, Raj 3. See, you can see like this.
Previously, we created demo 2, demo 3 also. Now, why it is not showing here, the file names?
That is in a different directory.
Okay.
That is in a different directory. Okay. Maybe here it is there. So here I'm running from the demo 1. I created these files. Now I'm come back to the location is EC2-user. In that I created demo 1, demo 2, demo 3 here.
Okay.
So first you have to practice these commands, okay, thoroughly. And in the next session, we will be directly moving to AWS services, okay, with DevOps solutions, and we will practice in the commands. So from Monday onwards, we will be directly working on Git, okay, Git. So Git is completely Linux commands. So please practice, and what are the commands we are going to practice in the Git, I will teach in that area so you can practice it. This is a very basic commands for Linux.
Now we created the files and demos now where we can see in the front end.
Sorry?
We can see in the front end. We created the server now, demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. You can see in the front end. Suppose
This is a directory. This is a directory, like a folder.
Okay. We can't see in the front end any. Directly we can
Not
see.
saying.
Okay.
I'm not getting your question clearly.
So we have created here the demo 1, demo 2, demo 3 in backend. Can we see in the front end that the directories?
Front end means what? I don't
In the
understand.
tool, in the tool, Amazon tool something.
I think so. He is a graphical user. UI. UI side is.
Okay, you're looking for to create the same concepts in WinSCP?
Oh yeah, yeah. Same tool.
WinSCP is just like a folder, na? So same way you can right click and you can create folder. This is the same manner. There is nothing, na? You're already experiencing that Windows.
Yeah, yeah.
No changes at all. No changes at all. How you are practicing the Windows, same Windows.
Okay.
This is something different. This one you need to learn. Suppose WinSCP, we can go here and we can copy the public IP address. This is a WinSCP console, right?
Yeah.
So click new session, enter the IP address, an advanced screen, and go to authentication, login. Yes. EC2-user. You successfully connected, right?
Okay.
So now you can go to demo 1. These are the files are there. If you want, you can create a file. Okay, new file name. So Raj file. That's it.
Okay.
It's a normal one. There's no logic here. It's a very simple thing.
Yeah, it's a normal one.
It's a simple one. That's it.